But with
Yes.
budgets being tight, staffing being limited, how have you seen institutions creatively streamline their Slate usage while avoiding that burnout of chasing all those projects?
Yeah, that's definitely a delicate balancing act, and if anybody does come up with the perfect solutions, I think they'll make a lot of friends in higher ed. But some ways, again, going back to automations, so there's still a lot of paper-based or manual work being done. That if you can move to an integration or an automation, will free up staffing time to focus more on the queuing side of admissions and enrollments. So, like examples being, Slate talking to the system of record, right? Banners, PeopleSoft, Colleague, PowerCamps, all those. There's still schools, of course, that have manual import and exports and rural data entry as well. So, finding those kind of places where you can automate and integrate. Shared resources. Again, I know we're going to sound like we're super fans of the community. We are, but leaning on others that have the knowledge and skills and get to learn how to become more efficient and effective with using Slate.